Hello guys, I'm Rajinikanth.
And I'm Sneha, and it has been a dream come true moment for me, sitting inside our house, which we have been wishing for quite some time now. We always wanted a minimally designed space, and I think WEA has been the perfect choice for that. They have done a wonderful job, I can say, in understanding the theme that we had in mind and designing and executing something like that for us.
When we think of interior designing, we always want the best at a low cost, that too. And believe me, we had searched for interior designers last for a couple of months at least before we finalized WEA, but there were many reasons for that.
Came across WEA's profile on Instagram, and fortunately there was one house in the neighborhood itself. They had opted for WEA, and when we went and had a look at their house, we were really happy with the color themes and the details that WEA had actually covered. And that's how we decided to visit them and see if what they can offer for us.
Not just that, we also saw the design pictures and the executed pictures, and believe me, they're more than 95% accurate. So we were really happy, and that's when we thought we'll go with WEA. That's on the design front, but when it came to execution, we were really happy for the reason we never heard a no from these guys. Any change, anytime you ask them, or any modification you need, they accept it. And we were really happy with all the add-ons which we wanted at a later stage also. They were really helpful for us getting all of them done. I would say it's a turnkey project for them. They take care of end to end, starting from even the smallest things, they take care of it, whatever it could be, and they do it for you. So really happy with the execution part as well. And now we would recommend WEA for anyone, any of our friends.
So Minaj and Raiz, they've done a wonderful job in capturing what exactly was there in our minds, and they have helped me design our dream home, I can say.
Yeah, and you can't forget Shivu, who was our champion in execution.
Shivu has been, the whole team basically, they are really helpful. They are always ready to take care of any small things, any small changes that you want.
Yep.
Great customer experience.
Yeah.